Welcome to Expat Choice TV. I'm your host, John Gordon. Today, we introduce British orthopaedic surgeon in Singapore, Dr. Alan Cheung. Dr. Alan Cheung, like many of our viewers, is an expat living in Singapore. He has lived on this sunny island for the last 7 years and is a consultant orthopaedic surgeon specialising in sports injuries and robotic joint replacement. Born in Cambridge, England, Dr. Cheung underwent his medical school training at University College Hospital in London. He also trained in Sydney, Australia and in the USA. Since arriving in Singapore, he has been the local medical lead for the One Championship and the One Warrior Series mixed martial arts events. Matchday doctor for the HSBC Sevens and SuperRugby events, and is currently team doctor for the Singapore Cycling Federation and Wrestling Federation of Singapore. In 2018, he founded the award-winning International Orthopaedic Clinic in Mount Elizabeth Novena Hospital and feels extremely privileged to look after expats and global locals, repatriated Singaporeans and their families from all corners of the globe. After arriving in Singapore, he took up martial arts and began training in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and Muay Thai at Evolved Mixed Martial Arts. Dr. Cheung has also had the opportunity to compete in tournaments in BJJ in Singapore and Tokyo. These experiences have helped him to understand what an athlete goes through when training, dealing with minor injuries and the physical and mental challenges involved in sports. He also plays golf regularly with a keen interest, skied now and again pre-COVID, and also enjoys cycling and running. As a sportsman, as well as a doctor, he can empathize with what his patients go through with some deeper understanding of their sport. Dr. Cheung did share with us that certain doctors in Singapore tell their patients never to return to sport after an injury and may not do any sports themselves. So he says, be careful who you listen to. International Orthopaedic Clinic aims to provide the highest quality care for you and your family, whether you have a sporting injury or a worn-out joint from decades of activity. This is John Gordon reporting for Expat Choice TV.